When spring arrives, follow these steps to restore your machine to working condition. For goats, clean the machine following the standard procedure. Check that the blade disc rotates freely. Inspect the blades. Replace immediately if rusted or unable to move freely. Check the trimmer line and brush. Replace if the line is depleted or the brush is damaged. Remove the lighter protection cover. For the charging station, reassemble and return to its original position. For the RTK reference station, reassemble and return to its original position. After installation and power on, wait 30 to 60 seconds for a solid blue light before final fixation. If the original location is unknown, choose an open area with strong signal according to installation guidelines, then remat. Finally, place go back into the charging station, then it is ready for use again.